Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. One of my favorite things to do when I'm talking about planners is to share with you the types of planners that are out there, because I know many are unsure of what their planner style is. And today I'm going to be doing a review of the Goldmine and Coco Undated Daily Planner. We're going to talk pricing, all the good specs of it. We're going to flip through from cover to cover and I will give my pros and cons. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Getting into the basics, everybody want to know how much does the planner cost. The planner costs $60, which is on the pricier side. But again, this is a 6-month undated daily planner. So you can see how many pages are in here. And when you average it out to how much that would be a month, it is $10. Just saying. So the basics of this, aside from the cost, it does have a black coil. It measures 7x9, which is pretty standard for a planner. And it does have a laminated cover. The cover is not removable unless you take the coil off and do all that extra work. But it is not a removable cover, and it says Plan Your Luxe Life and has the Goldmine and Coco color scheme. When you open the planner up, it has this white board on the front cover, which I love. If you use Sharpie and alcohol wipes, you can write on this, so you can put your meal plan, your goals for the month, a great little snapshot of what you have going on, or you can even put sticky notes for things you need to reference quickly. Then you have the This Page Belongs To, this planner belongs to page. Then we have this one, which is filled with inspirational quotes, such as, I owe it to myself to be consistent. I owe it to myself to be focused. Doors of opportunity and abundance open to me today. Every decision I make leads towards my desires. I am an executor. Procrastination is not allowed. Excuse is not an allowed excuse for me, among so many others. Then we have this dashboard here. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you're not going to stay where you are. JP Morgan. We have the 2021-2022 perpetual calendar. Then we have these two mind mapping pages here, where of course you can just do pen to paper, but this is also a great spot to infuse more of your stickers from your stash. This 22 before 2022 list. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, yep. I just counted these like it didn't say 22 before 2022. Okay, yeah. That's me. That's me. Then we have this dashboard that heads into the first month. So figure out who you are and be it on purpose. Then we have the 2-month layout, a notes sidebar over here. Again, this is undated, but if you're still looking for that black and white aesthetic, they do have this functional sticker book, which I love, and a lot of those stickers could be used in here if you just want to keep that grayscale color scheme. Then here is what the daily looks like. So you have your date, your goal, personal, important, notes, to do, remember, deadlines, and tomorrow. And it goes on like that for, let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So you basically get 32 pages. Then you have notes here, just a few. Then there's a look ahead. So the notes pages are just regular lined for you to put your reference information. And then a look ahead, you have goals, bills, important, and some dot grid space over here where you can do a reflection of the month that you were just in, or just add some of your stickers for inspiration. The next dashboard, it's you against you every day. Make sure the right you wins. Then we get into the next month. So again, you have your month on 2 pages, and then you jump right into the daily. Then for the 3rd month, you will never always be motivated, so you must learn to be disciplined. The 4th month, always go with the choice that is going to scare you the most, because that is the one that is going to help you grow. The 5th month, take massive imperfect steps towards your goals. And then the last month, there are 2 things you're in control of: your attitude and your effort. And then at the end of that, there is no look ahead because you're not going and continuing anything else into the next month, but you do have quite a bit of notes pages here. So, my pros and my cons. I'm gonna start off with the cons first, simply because these kinds of planners, it's hard, as you saw me flipping through trying to get to the next month. There are no tabs, so that is my con, that there's no tabs. But you can always create your own, whether you're using sticky notes to tab it off, or a laminated sticker, or a die cut sticker to create your own tabs, or you just may be someone that doesn't like tabs. I thrive on tabs, but that is my biggest con. The pricing for me is a pro and a con. Depending on what your budget is, this may not be the planner for you, but I will say that the $60 price point, because this is undated and you can use it at any time of the year, even this 20 before 2022, if you don't use it, 22, excuse me, before 2022, if you don't use it this year, you could use it in 2022. Like, you can still modify that page. The sections here, if they don't work for you, you can always modify it. So that's the thing about undated planners, or planners in general. When you have these sections or these boxes that don't necessarily apply to you, it kind of turns you off from the planner itself. But you can always modify it, whether you're swapping out the heading with a sticker, or just whiting it out, or crossing it out and putting your own thing. Don't be so boxed in by what the structure is. But if this kind of layout works for you, then cool. Also, with the to-do, you could turn this into an hourly and map things out that way. So there's different ways that you can modify it. And that's what I love about undated planners in general. But my 2 biggest cons, the pricing is a pro and a con, because I know the quality of Goldmine and Coco. Since I have been using their products, the customer service is amazing. The shipping, especially now during these uncertain times, the shipping has never failed, and they get things out to you. They don't waste any time. So that's that on my con, there being no tabs. The pro really is being how much you can modify it, and I love how neutral it is. I love neutral planners, which means you can add in any kind of stickers that you want, and then the design on it is just, it's abstract a little bit, but not too abstract that you can't make it your own. So it's very, very subtle in the design, but so functional. And as I mentioned, if you are looking for an accompanying sticker book to go with this, you can get this one, which is their functional sticker book. Their sticker books retail for $30. This one in particular, 30 sheets, 689 stickers. I know y'all are doing the math. 60 plus 39, 60 plus 30, that's $90. Then when you include shipping, but you can use my code Chaotic Critic to save you some coins on that. But still, I know you're like, almost $100 for a planner. This is 6 months worth of productivity and functionality that you're gonna have in your life. I am not sponsored by Goldmine and Coco, but I am an advocate for sharing things with you guys that sharing things with you guys that I feel are helpful and can get you on the right track, especially for people trying to get into the swing of things. Plus, this planner could very well last longer than 6 months for some people, depending on how many dailies you're actually using. So there's different ways that you can use this. This can even be turned into a Bible study, actually. It really could. So there's a lot of ways that you can transform this. But if you're looking for an undated daily planner, then cool. So I really do like this one. I'm not currently using it because I don't even use my regular planner half the time. But who knows, life changes. I may end up needing a daily option, and I already know how I would make this work for me, but right now I am not using it. I'm just still using my bullet journal because that's what works for me. And I'm also an advocate for having your planner meet you where you are. So if you're someone that feels like you're switching up your planner a lot, don't fret. That's just life. Life happens. That's no problem. So that is it for this review. I will have all information on Goldmine and Coco in the description box. Let me know what you guys think of the planner down in the comments. We'll love to chat with you there. Also in the description box, be sure to check out my shop, shop15roses.com. And that is where I sell apparel, cups, and decals. And I'll have more to share with you guys on that. And you can, of course, follow me on Instagram at shop15roses and my regular Instagram at Chaotic Critic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.